Video about my new Fronius transsteel 2200 multi-process MIG welder. So first we'll have a look at all the buttons. This button here changes your wire type. This button here changes your wire diameter. This button changes your gas. And all of that only matters if you have it set to synergic here. So I've got it set on manual, so you can just change your wire speed at that side and your voltage at that side. And then if you set it to synergic, you can change your wire type, mild steel, your wire diameter, and your gas. And then you can just change the thickness here, so that's set to 3mm, and that's setting your amperage, well, your wire speed and your voltage at the same time. And that's your amperage. If you want, you can change that, and that'll change your wire speed and voltage for you. So if you just set it to 100 amps, that'll be 6.4 and 18 volts, or 1.8mm. And you can also do stick and TIG there. So there's stick, just set your amperage for your stick. There's your TIG, same, just change your amperage there. Your trigger mode, 2 or 4. And that one is to just let your wire out if you're changing the reel or whatever. Yeah. Down here you've got your plug, so that one changes what one the MIG torch is plugged into. So I'm doing self-shielded cord wire, so you need your torch in the negative and your earth in the positive. If you're doing standard MIG, you'd swap that to the positive and put your earth in the negative. So next we'll have a look inside. So you can see there's where your wire goes. You can either have a 1 kg or a 5 kg reel. And here's your here's where your wire goes through. So your roller goes in there at the top. You can change that 0.8, 1mm or 1.2. And then to undo, I've only got one hand, it's kind of hard to do, but to undo your wire, you just undo that one, and then you can mess about with your wire, and then put that back up, and then click it down. You can undo that to change your tension. And then down here you've just got a little tray. A little tray you can put all your spare bits and bobs in. And your 2 different size wire holders. So that's all there is inside. Just give that a little close. So now I'm just going to give you a look at the torch consumables. So you've got your nozzle, that just pulls off. There's your nozzle off. Then you've got your contact tip, that unscrews. You've got your gas diffuser, just unscrews. And there's a little insulator bit that goes in there with it, that little black bit. Then you've got that holds your nozzle on. That's all. You can see you got your liner in there. Put it back together, you just screw that little collar back on. Put your insulator back onto your gas diffuser. Screw that back in. Give that a little tighten up. Stick your tip back in. Stick your nozzle back on. That's you all back together. Here's the earth the machine comes with. It's got a pretty good earth, good spring, fairly good opening width. It opens to about 40mm at the most. Good size cable. So that's me done 3 runs. Not the best 3 runs, but it's 3 runs on the plate. You can see it's pulled a fair bit, so it must have got good heat into it. Split that tack. You can see the heat on the back, so. And that's with 0.8 self-shielded cord wire. Here's a couple of other welds I did the other day. So that's my video of the Fronius transsteel 2200. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.